Installation of Tie-Dex bands is simple using the hand tool from Bandit. If using flat bands, double wrap the band ensuring the diameter of the band is slightly larger than the item to be clamped. A band that is too large will require more manual effort to tension than necessary. Before inserting the band into the tool, check the icon on the side of the tool for the correct orientation. Hold the release lever up and insert the band past the marks shown in detail in the upper left of the video. Insert the connector assembly into the loop of the band. Using a full motion grip and release movement, tension the band until the tool clicks. Now grab the cut-off handle and firmly squeeze both handles together to cut the tail and finish the installation. Remove cut-off tail from the tool. Inspect the band installation and low-profile buckle. For more information on Tie-Dex products, contact your Bandit representative or visit our website.